Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a Holden VE Commodore Series II Sportswagon. This variant ran from the 8th month 2009 to the 4th month 2013. It has a 3-litre V6 SIDI engine with an engine code of LFW and has an automatic transmission. The engine code can be found on this little silver plate right next to the airbox, just there. Engine code LFW, transmission code MYB. This vehicle has been fitted with some aftermarket 20-inch mag wheels. As you can see here. A little bit of light gutter rash there, nothing major. Looks to have an average tyre. Nice clean right hand front guard. Right front door mirror. It also has a pair of factory roof racks. Right front door appears to be clean with no noticeable damage. Left rear door appears to have one small dent just in the middle there, nothing major at all, easily fixed. Once again, some very light rash on the outside of that rim, maybe half the rim worth. Average tyre. Really good clean tailgate, no damage at all. Same with the rear bumper. Left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light. This wheel appears to have probably a third of the rim with some rash on it. It looks to be probably due for replacement of the tyre. Left hand rear door has a giant dent in it. Left front door looks to be quite good. Left front door mirror. A little bit of rash on this rim also. And it appears that tyre is due for replacement also. Maybe we'll have a look at the interior. This vehicle is fitted with a cloth interior. If you have any part inquiries about this vehicle, the stock reference number is 2680C. We freight parts Australia-wide daily. We have options for warranty available on all of our parts. Just ask one of our friendly salesmen. You can check out our website, totalpartsplus.com.au. You can be able to check our stock and parts available on there. You can take a look at our eBay store, Total Parts Plus One, or you could check out our social media through Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.